Meet Jim, your customer. Do you know Jim? On the other side is your business. There are many ways you and Jim can communicate. Let's talk about some of the main channels today. Traditional paper is still one of the most common communication channels. Every month, Jim receives bills, statements, policies, and correspondence by mail. Email and SMS messages are a cheaper and faster channel than traditional mail. Your company web portal is an important interactive channel that offers self-service functionalities that replace expensive and time-consuming human interactions. Mobile apps use smartphone technologies to offer great new interactive services. They can capture valuable marketing data, like Jim's behavior and real-time location. The contact center is normally your most expensive channel, but it's still critical to most businesses. Social media is Jim's favorite channel when it comes to complaining. Your store, agency, or dealer is also an important point of contact that must be consistent with all other online channels. Personalized, interactive videos are a great new channel to engage customers. Interactive videos can explain products, take surveys, and explore cross-sell opportunities. There are many other channels today, but no matter what channel Jim uses, he expects you to know him, understand him, and deliver relevant, consistent, omni-channel experience. So let's look at the challenges on the business side. Most companies have lots of customer data, but typically, they are spread out in silos across the corporation. The billing department has data from the billing system. Customer service has data from the CRM system. Marketing has data from the campaign management system. These are examples of structured data that live inside relational databases of corporate systems. But there is also a lot of unstructured customer data, like the geolocation data captured from your mobile app, or the navigation data from your web portal or social data shared by your customers. Data divided in silos isn't so powerful. To take advantage of all this big data available, companies must integrate all the different data sources in a single master database. Using data integration, data quality, and data enrichment technologies, you can create the single view of the customer to truly know everything about Jim. After all customer data is consolidated, you can create powerful analytic models and get rich insights to predict customer future needs. A single design platform is necessary to create and manage all the different types of multi-channel campaigns across the enterprise. Physical and digital documents like bills, statements, proposals, contracts, correspondences, emails, SMS messages, web pages, and many more can be managed by an enterprise content management platform that removes communication silos between departments and delivers integrated, brand-consistent, multi-channel documents. After we have the insights and templates ready, the production engine can process and deliver all outbound communications. Companies must store all interactions with customers. They can be analyzed to understand what offers and channels work best for each profile and improve future campaigns. But most companies struggle to manage inbound communications. That is, when Jim decides to initiate a conversation with you. To effectively manage all conversations, you must first map out the customer journey, an automated set of rules and triggers that, based on real-time analytic scoring, orchestrates your interactions and delivers the right message to the right customer at the right time in the right channel. Now let's see how this all works together. Suppose Jim receives a personalized offer on his mobile phone and decides to call the contact center for more information. The services rep has immediate access to all previous interactions with Jim and will be prompted on the screen with the next best actions he should offer Jim. Let's suppose that after a short conversation, the services rep sends Jim an email with more details about the offer they talked about. Jim gets the email and visits the company website to research more about the offer. Personalized offers are displayed to Jim according to his previous interactions, but he decides to think a little more before he buys. When Jim finds out on his Facebook that 5 of his friends also like the same offer, he decides to visit a local agency to close the deal. After Jim signs up, the company sends him a personalized onboarding welcome kit by mail with all the important information he needs. But because most customers don't have time to read all the papers, the company also sends Jim a personalized video explaining all the benefits he acquired. This is an example of how a great engagement solution works. By establishing one view of the customer and consistent communications, your customer will also have one voice, regardless of how and when they choose to interact with you. This is an overview of the Customer Engagement Hub. Pitney Bowes has powerful data management solutions, advanced analytics, and multi-channel communication platform to manage the whole customer engagement cycle.